Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be scheduling a customer return. So we can use our global order search if we have the order number handy, or we can pop into our orders grid and change our shortcut from active orders to returns. Once we have our list of returns, we can click into the order we want to action on. And then at the top of the screen, it's letting us know the order is awaiting pickup. Schedule the pickup now. When I click in, we're going to confirm the items that we're looking to pick up. And then we're going to select the date from our last mile planner that we've built out. So here I'm going to schedule this for the 23rd, and I'm going to enter in the name of the customer that I confirmed this pickup date with. Then I'll hit save, and we can see now that our order is scheduled for the day that was selected. And this is how you schedule a customer return inside of Grasshopper.